Hey guys, this is my first video. I'm just putting together a brew unit for a Jura coffee machine. You can see it's been ultrasonically cleaned. Here's a machine that I'm putting together right now. It's a Jura F9. Still needs to be cleaned inside, but it's got some brand new burrs inside. Here's all these other machines that I have to either refurbish or I use for parts. Some other stuff right down here. There's one on the floor. This one person has two of these F9s. Just refurbishing both of them. If you would like me to refurbish your machine, just message me and I'll get a hold of you shortly. I only work on Juras. Thanks. Have a great day.